Honestly, RBI could have defended the rupee today, but instead they chose you. Let me tell you why. Today was RBI's monetary policy meeting. See, rupee is weakening, FIs are pulling out money, and in a situation like this, normally any central bank would increase interest rates. But RBI did not. Because if they had increased rates, your EMI would have gone up. Borrowing would have become expensive for businesses. And the growth momentum that India has built over these years would have slowed down. And RBI simply did not let that happen. Now you might ask, what about inflation? Yes, inflation will touch 5% this year, but honestly, that is healthy. RBI itself is comfortable up to 6%, and in return, we are looking at a GDP growth of 6.6%. And I don't know why people are treating this as a bad news, because I think it's extraordinary. See, find me one country of India's size growing at this speed today. Trust me, you won't find one. And while RBI was doing this, Government of India made a very quiet but a massive move. They completely removed all taxes for FIs investing in RBI bonds. Earlier, they were paying around 30% tax on interest income plus capital gains tax on top of that. Now it's gone. And these bonds are offering 7% returns. The US, Europe, Japan, nobody is offering anywhere close to that today. See, on one side, RBI protected the common man, and on the other side, the government rolled out the red carpet for foreign money. See, this is not a coincidence, this is a coordinated policy making at its best.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all schemes related documents carefully. Past performance may or may not sustain in future.